Hola amigos y bienvenidos al canal. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. And like the title say, today we have a pronunciation video. I have 6 words that I usually hear mispronounced in Spanish. So today we are going to fix this and we're going to go through these 6 words that are mostly mispronounced, usually by English speakers, just because of the way the language is. But without further ado, let's have a look into the first word. The first word is this one. So, gracias. It depends where you are, but where I'm from, in Spain, in mid-Spain, we say gracias. So the Z and the I is the. And we're going to, let's just recap. I'm just going to show you these sounds over here. So C and A means ca. For example, casa. C and E means ce. For example, dinner, cena. C and I means ci. For example, cinema, cine. C and O means co. For example, to eat, comer. And CU is co. For example, cave, cueva. So this word is gracias. Let's repeat with me. Gracias. Number 2 is this word over here. The food for excellence in Spain. This word is pronounced paella. So the double L sound in Spanish, LL and A, for example, key, llave. Okay, llave. Or chicken, pollo. So let's say this word slowly and then a little bit faster until we get it. So paella. Just like the end, she, ella. So she, ella. Paella. Let's do it again. Paella. Let's say that one more time at a right speed. Paella. And one more time. Paella. Yeah, that's right. I have heard paella, paella, so many words. I think the most common is, at least where I am here, and everybody says, oh, I love paella. Now, paella. Okay, great. This brings me on to the next one, which is this. So this is tortilla. Tortilla. Again, it's not tortilla, it's not anything like that. Tortilla. Great. Now, this word, especially English speakers, say it like it's an Italian word. Can you guess what it is? That's right. Chorizo. It's not chorizo. It's chorizo. So the Z and the O is tho. For example, su, tho. And the CHO is cho. So chorizo. Let's say it one more time together. Chorizo. Great. I have the next 2, which is better and worse. So better is this word. Give it a try. Okay, so this word is say mejor. It's not mejor, it's not mior or mior, it's mejor. The J sound sounds very strong in Spanish. So mejor. Let's say it one more time together. Mejor. Yeah. Which brings me on to the last one, which I've heard multiple times, is peor. Peor. The E or E in Spanish is E sound, not E in English. So it's peor. Not peor, peor. So let's do it one more time. Peor. Peor. Brilliant. The more you practice these words and these sounds, the easier it will become and the easier for you to pronounce. I would also like to remind some people that they struggle with the double R or this R sound. There are Spanish people who cannot pronounce the R sound just because the way their tongue is morphologically, which means their frenillo, I don't know how to say that in English. I'll actually look it up and put it on the screen. El frenillo es corto, entonces no pueden pronunciar la R. So don't worry if you can't pronounce the R perfectly, because there are Spanish people who can't either. So don't stress about it and keep practicing and you will get there. Let me know in the comments if you pronounce these words, if you found that easier, if you would like more videos on how to pronounce or the pronunciation in Spanish, or even the Spanish sounds and how different sounds are, depending on what letters go together, like for example, the CA, CE, or CHA, or CHE, all those kind of sounds, and I will make a video about that. If you want to practice your pronunciation with words, I have a course on my website which has over 16 lessons. We go through every single sound. You can see them all on the screen and it has tons and tons of vocabulary. So if that is something that you want to learn, definitely check that out because the videos are less than 5 minutes usually. It has very simple tongue twisters, a little bit more complicated ones, and loads and loads of words, like loads of words just for you to practice. It's a self-study, so be mindful that if you're not the kind of person for self-study, don't waste your money. But if you do have 5 minutes to spare every other day and you want to check it out and you want to practice in a follow along, to say those words out loud and hear them, check the course. I have left a discount code in the captions if you want to try it for a discounted price. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you would like me to make more pronunciation videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Hasta pronto!